is taking up another challenge. Word game it is.
Basically, the word should start from my letter and end with her letter.
ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ವಿನ್.
Correct. S.
T.
Sat.
Sit.
Fine. Q.
B. Q and B. If you guys know, you can comment.
Yeah. L.
M.
Loom. L-O-O-M. A.
R.
Um.
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
M.
P. Map. M-A-P map.
R.
T.
Rat. Another? R tape duty. Rat and Sundana. So I won.
No, we'll take another round.
What is it?
Please, just one more. So, ನಾವು ಕಿರ್ಚ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಲು. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದೀನಿ.
But one last round ಆದ್ರೆ it becomes a draw. So
ನೋಡೋಣ.
one more round ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
If it becomes a draw.
Over confidence ma. Why?
P. Yap.
Music.
Oh.